So I grabbed that up, put it in my cart and press buy so fast I didn't even blink. Hey, how's it going? My name is Lauren May and welcome to this video. Today I will be sharing with you what I got for Christmas. Now, in no means is this video a bragging video. This is just an opportunity for me to share with you, a friend, what I got for Christmas and family who I don't get to see as well. I'm so incredibly grateful for the time I get to spend with family and friends, and they've been so generous to me this year in giving me some awesome gifts. So I'm very excited to share with you what I got. So let's get straight into it. So to start off, I spent my Christmas Eve, we went to church, and then afterwards I went to a family friend of ours where there was like this big shindig, and I did a gift exchange with my friends, and it was just a really awesome time to see people you hadn't seen before, meeting new people, and it was just a fun, awesome experience. It was very nostalgic of what Christmas Eves used to be when we were younger, so I was very, very much treasuring those moments that we got to spend again together. So from one of my friends that we do a gift exchange from, this is what I got. First off, she knows me so well. She got me this adorable Winnie the Pooh Christmas tea towel set. So there's one of lots of little Winnie the Poohs and one of a giant Winnie the Pooh that says ho 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 as well. I think that's really cute. Obviously it's a bit too late to start using it this year, but I'll definitely be using it next year. Next up, she gave me a Winnie the Pooh tree ornament. He's adorable. He's wearing like a scarf and a Christmas hat, and he seems to be hiding a present behind his back, which I think is pretty cute too. So I'm very excited about that one. And if you're following me on TikTok, you would know that I had a rubber duck advent calendar this year. And my friend obviously knew that as well. And so she was really excited to get me this rubber duck Christmas ornament. Although I am making my rubber duck advent calendar rubber ducks into ornaments, I think this will be like the queen of all the ducks because it's like triple the size. So I'm very excited about this. I'm thinking next year I might have to have a yellow Christmas tree because I'm getting lots of yellow ornaments. From another friend that I do a gift exchange on Christmas Eve, she got me lots of adorable goodies. The first thing is this rainbow clip. I love this style. I think it's handy to have the curve so it fits your head a bit and doesn't dig in, so I'm very excited about that. Also came with this vitamin C brightening polishing scrub. Not sure exactly what you use it for, but keen to find out. And this facial oil for moisturizing plump and firm skin. The best part, this ice cream splice pineapple and lime flavored candle. It smells amazing. Ooh. Oh, I ripped the box. Oh, like you wouldn't think that that would be a good smell for a candle, and it's so random that they made an ice cream a candle flavor, but I am all for it. And look at that candle holder. Oh, slice of heaven. Very true. From the other friend that we see on Christmas Eve, I actually got this pajama set. So it's a shirt and some shorts. Adorable. They've got gingerbread men and houses on them. I think it's adorable, but what is absolutely hilarious and awesome, and I love it when friends are on the same wavelength, but it's from the Night Sweet Thing pajama brand, which I believe is famous on TikTok. I know that's where I've seen them. I've been eyeing their pieces for a little while, and so I'm very excited that my friend saw them online as well and thought it would be cool as a gift because I very much appreciate having one of their items now. So I'm very excited to be wearing this for the rest of the Christmas season and into next year as well. And this particular friend is also a baker, so she gave me a gingerbread man and a little pretzel wreath as well. So I do a little bit of volunteering, and we in that group of volunteers do a Secret Santa, and so this is what I got from that particular Secret Santa. I got some chocolate and I got a mug, but it's not just any mug, it's a mug with a duck on the inside. Isn't that just the cutest thing you've ever seen? Oh, I love it. So my work does a little bit of like a elf gift exchange. It's kind of like Secret Santa, but not really at all. And I was very excited to receive this little greenhouse kit to help build and grow sunflowers, tomatoes and basil. I've been growing sunflowers for a couple of years and it's been really hard to keep them on our windowsill when I'm trying to grow like 30 or 40 of them. So it's going to be nice to be able to have this outside but it's still in a greenhouse kind of capacity. Plus it's the cutest thing I've ever seen, so I'm excited to have a tiny little greenhouse. I was a part of a white elephant game with my young adults group at church and it was very intense. So there was like, I know, like 80 people at this event and we ended up like in groups of like 10 or so and we all had like gifts in front of us and it was like very intense, like swapping and stealing, and it was awesome. I had some great gifts but they were stolen from me, but I was excited to get this, which is like one of those make it yourself like rope plant holders, but it has beads on it. I think this will be a great DIY to do during this Christmas New Year season. So yeah, it'll be a great DIY. On the last day of work before we left for Christmas break, I found a good old box of Pop-Tarts on my desk. I'm very grateful to my co-worker who I work very close with, and I'm excited to have lots of Pop-Tarts because here in Australia they are so expensive, so I can't quite justify buying them all the time, but I do accept them as gifts. My workplace is actually quite very generous and kind to us as employees, and we received some gifts from my work for Christmas. So in this envelope is actually like a voucher for, it's called Prezi, and it's like an online gift voucher and you can claim it at different location like websites and stuff, from like Nike to Maya to Amazon. Like there's lots of different things, so very grateful for that. We also got some movie passes, which is exciting. I love a good movie stash. And we got this bougie looking box of confectionery, which can't go wrong there either. I also found this little gift on my desk on the last day of work as well. It's this little key ring with a pretend bottle of something in it. It's very cute. It's like a flower inside. Very excited about that. It is from one of my co-workers. It is signed. I'm very grateful. Thank you for that. From my auntie, in this cute little box, I got some cute little cross earrings with little diamonds on the inside. Very cute. Very grateful for those. From my brother and sister-in-law who spent a lot of this year traveling, I'm very excited about this Christmas ornament that they gave me all the way from Denmark, I believe. It's this little fat little reindeer. It's so cute. It's gonna go on our Christmas tree as soon as I'm done filming this video. Look at him, he's so cute. My extended family for the first time this year did a Secret Santa gift exchange and we were very excited about it. This year I got good old chocolate stocking, but I'm also very excited about this glass straw like coffee container. It's got like lavender and wattle on it and it's so cute, and I literally only drink out of straw containers, so I'm very excited to have another one, especially one that is quite bougie. So I'm very excited about this. From my parents this Christmas, they were very kind and got me this awesome sunflower picnic rug that I've been eyeing for a couple of years, and I kid you not, is only available in like one store in our local like area. It's like a boutique. I couldn't find it online. Like I could not find this anywhere except that one store, but it was so out of my price range. So I'm very excited that my parents were able to bless me in this way. I love the idea of having a picnic rug on hand for so many different occasions, and I love that it fits the vibe. Love a good sunflower. So with that came this sunflower shopping bag. Can't go wrong there. It's going to be very handy having this in the car or wherever I need it to put stuff in. And they also gave me these adorable bumblebee socks. Isn't that so cute? Very bright. Can't go wrong there either. And the last lot of presents are actually from myself. I think it can be quite beneficial to get yourself a gift at Christmas yeah, I mean, you know what you like, but also like it's a celebratory time of year and you know, you got through the year kind of attitude. But for me in particular, I've financially had a rough year, and so I could only justify a couple of purchases if I made them into Christmas presents. So I did that a couple more times than I thought I did, and so this is what I got for myself this year. First off, Big W had this like bright yellow Pantone like collaboration with like a whole bunch of tech, and I couldn't say no to yellow appliances, so I got myself an alarm clock and some headphones, which are adorable, a keyboard and mouse, a phone stand and a phone extra battery. The last thing that I got myself and I was so excited about was because I have never seen them have this much of a sale before, so I had to jump on it. But Oodie, just before Black Friday, had like a $40 section, which if you know how much Oodies are, that is insane. So I scrolled down and I found a yellow one for sale, so I grabbed that up, put it in my cart and press buy so fast I didn't even blink. And I also was able to add a sleep tea as well for a good price. This will be great for summer, this will be great for winter. I'm so excited to be comfy and cozy in both seasons and in the right colors as well. So I'm very excited to get in this. And this is the first Christmas that we've had like rain and wintry weather at Christmas here in Australia, especially where I live. So I'll be jumping in this Oodie like basically straight away. So I'm very excited about that and be all cozy, especially when it's cold. So that's everything that I got for Christmas this year, I believe. I'm so incredibly grateful for all the people, family and friends who I have in my life who I get to spend time with this time of year, and the people who are so incredibly generous in giving me such beautiful gifts. They clearly know me so well and know that I love yellow and love lots of other things that I've been blessed to be given. So thank you to everyone. I love giving gifts. It's such a fun thing for me to be able to make or buy something for someone. So that's my favorite part of Christmas. So it's just a bonus that it's coming back at me, you know? Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite part of Christmas is. And if you're not already, please subscribe. The button is down below. You can be notified every single time that I upload a video. You can stay up to date with what I'm doing over on my Instagram and my TikTok. I'm doing all sorts of other things over on those platforms. They're in the link below. I hope you're having an amazing day, and don't forget to hug someone today. Bye!